Alright, so here I am with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about the Secret Chambers puzzle box from Bits and Pieces. It looks a little bit like this. I'm going to try to show it. It's a really nice made, really nice box. There's some knob, if you can see the little knobs that move. There's a knob up there and a knob up there, and both move. And it comes with directions, although they're not very good. I laminated mine, so you probably can't see it from the glare. I laminate all my directions just so they last longer. I'm going to show you real quick how it works. What you want to do, bring the puzzle box down just so you can take a better look at it. Here's the box itself. It's pretty solid wood. I don't know what kind of wood that is. If you tilt it up and down, some really interesting things are going on. You hear, it seems like pins dropping up and down. So the first move you want to do, if you shake it, you can kind of hear it. Both knobs move. You can move them clockwise and counterclockwise. You want to find the knob that locks. And this, right now, the top one doesn't. The bottom one, I have it locked. As you can see, you can't really, once I have, it's locked into a pin. You can't really see it, but you can't move it anymore. So once you find that, sometimes you'll have the locked one up here, and you'll just want to flip the box around. So you want to find that locked pin. And I know there's a couple ways you could open this box. What I like to do is, once that pin's locked, I just spin the box. And you can actually hear the pins hitting the side of the box. Once all the pins hit the box, you can open it. I'm going to actually take this to the floor and try it on the carpet. It works a little bit better on the floor, so I'm going to just move my camera real quick. Alright, this will work a little better. There we go. And the box opens. So as you can see, what's keeping this box from opening, there's 4 pins inside the box that slide down like that. So when you're spinning it, you're actually sliding these pins back like that. And on the inside of the drawer, you can see the 4 pins and they each have, I think in start position, the box looks something like that. As you can see, there's kind of where the other pins go into all these holes. Some pins, those go through, and they actually have pins on the side. So, and to close the box, you kind of have to have these pins in the middle here. And that's how you reset the box. Now the box can't come open. And that is the Secret Chamber box from Bits and Pieces. Hope you liked the video, and hopefully there's more to come. Thanks for watching.